Alright, there's my standard intro. What we have in here is one of these. Now this is a Maglite Mini AA flashlight, first introduced in 1979. They are made in California. This is a neon lamp in here. And, well, you may be wondering why I have one in a shipping package right here when there's already one sitting here. The fact of the matter is, this is actually my dad's. He has owned it since the 90s, and it hasn't failed him yet. Uses it for deer hunting and stuff. So I thought that I'd pick one up. They're only $7. Surprisingly. I thought that was extremely cheap for a flashlight this durable. And this just standard. You turn it on by twisting this. See, it's on there. It's only 14 lumens, but for deer hunting, that's all you want. And you can change the beam by twisting it. By twisting it back and forth. Here, I'll turn that off. So, that's pretty contracted. And then it's wide, and then you can make it really narrow, and then you can widen it back off, and then the top will pop off. But I wanted to get one since I know that they are pretty good flashlights, so here we go. I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, the floodlight is back on again. And here we are. Sarah Fax. Right there. And then when you screw the top off, just that top part comes off. The actual light doesn't, and then it's kind of like a candle there, which I think is kind of cool. Water resistant, about a 5-hour battery life, 1 meter or something or another, 14 lumens, 96 meters. There's our back. I have a black one, so then you can tell the two apart. It came with batteries. Looks like this is from 2019. So yeah, I guess I'll open it up. There's the construction right there. I'll keep that on there for a little bit in case any of you are interested in that. Comes with a spare bulb, which is nice. So here are the two Maglites. Mini Maglite and a Mini Maglite. This one's like 25 years old. This one is, well, 1 year old. And the brightness on this is actually really much brighter than that one right there. Now, when you look at the bulb on the old one, it is black from burn off maybe, because this is, I mean, you can see inside that bulb right there. When you look at this one, and especially when you take that head off, you can see that it's black. Here's it with the head off. Now again, that could be batteries too, since probably some old batteries in there. But I'll turn them off so you can see the burn off on the old one right there. Now you can tell which one's the old one. So yeah, that could be part of it. That and then batteries. So the only difference that I can see between the two is that this one says AA Mag Instrument California, USA, while this one says just Mag Instrument Ontario, California, USA. Other than that, they are identical aside from the color, down to the construction and everything, even the colors of the plastic. And I'm assuming that it's kind of been like that since like 1979 when the Mini Maglite first came out on the market. Now, would I recommend this? Yes, I would. I've seen this one as long as I can remember. It's older than me. And I've seen what it can do, and I've seen a lot of what it's gone through, a lot of like boreal swamp kind of things, and I would definitely recommend it. It's really held up nicely, and I really hope that this newer one right here will hold up just as well as this old one right here did. So anyways, yes, I would recommend the Mini Maglite as a flashlight. It seems to be very durable, lasts a long time, it's small, it's not super bright, which is a good thing for hunting. And it's just pretty easy to use. It's not a button light, so that might take a bit of getting used to. I've given this to a person to use for like a short time. Not like borrowing it at their house or anything, but like just to use it while I do something real quick. And they have a little trouble turning it on, and I have to tell them that you just twist the lid. And it might give off the impression that there's something wrong with the flashlight. It's kind of like janky or weird or something. It's broken in an area, so you have to like twist it a certain direction. Kind of like worn out headphones and a headphone jack. But yeah, I think my biggest concern is going to be losing it. But all I have to do is just keep track of it and not bring it around every single place I go. Because I mean, there's not too many places that you might go, that the normal person might go, where you have to use a flashlight a lot. So, anyways, that was a little unboxing of the flashlight. I'm gonna have some electronics videos up soon. I'm sorry that I haven't been producing them now. I am just pretty swamped with a lot of work and stuff. But there will be more electronics videos in the future. I'm working on something pretty cool with a radio and a 3D printer, so maybe we can see a video on that coming up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hold your breath for more to come.